revolutions past, by the psyche of every new generation, by the life force of nature and our growing conflicts with it, by the wisdom of our ancestors, and by the anima of a safe and just future. Books tell it all, and it is writers all over the world who write the word. And nowhere was this more palpable than at the Frankfurt Book Fair, the world's oldest and largest book fair, and from where I just returned, just last night. And I think I have an beginning cough, so that's why stay with me while I deliver this, I hope not long speech. Nowhere was this also more controversial. On the 18th, as the New York Times reported, it opened, and I quote, under a cloud of anger and recrimination after the cancellation of a literary prize for a book called Minor Detail,